Hey, today I wanted to talk to you about Spa Choice Re-Energize. When used regularly, this product helps to eliminate organic contaminants and keep your spa water crystal clear. I use this product along with another shock product, but I really like this product with it. It works well for me. My water is sanitized using bromine granulars. So use this product after you get done using the hot tub, and it says to use about 2 ounces for 500 gallons of water. My hot tub is not 500 gallons of water, so I'm not going to use that all 2 ounces, but I'm going to treat it. That'll do. And I'm going to turn the jets up. So we'll let that product mix into the water for about 30 minutes. I'm going to run the jets. I'm going to keep it open before I close the tub down. It literally re-energizes the sanitizer that's already in the water. Not too bad. It woke that sanitizer right up. Now I'm registering some good sanitizer in there. So if you're in the market for a non-chlorine based shock, I would recommend that you look into this product. See if it's something that will work for you.